Do you have issues trying to change your wallpaper on your MacBook? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you easy way how you can change the wallpaper on your MacBook. First thing is first, you want to go to settings and you want to scroll all the way down where it says wallpaper right here. You click on it. And in these pop-up windows, you have various kind of options. You can decide to upload a wallpaper like a photo of you from your computer. In this option, you want to go like up here and you want to go ahead and go to choose, and then just go ahead and pick a photo of you. For example, let's assume I want to use this as a wallpaper, this one right here. You go ahead and click on choose, and that's it. You have it on your MacBook as a wallpaper. And also there are other options like dynamic wallpapers, like landscape according to your taste. Like me, I just like earth, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on earth. I like earth wallpapers. And also up here where it says add folder or album, go ahead and click on it. Here you can decide to pick a photo from all photos, like from your computer as well, and also from your album. If you have an album with photos in your computer, you can also pick from right here. And also on WhatsApp, if you click on WhatsApp, if your WhatsApp is connected to your MacBook, you can also like pick a photo from WhatsApp. So if you scroll all the way down, you can see where it says WhatsApp right here, and here it's where it's going to display the photos you have in your WhatsApp. Quite easy, quite simple. If you found this helpful, please take the time to hit the like button and do subscribe for more how-to quick videos like this. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.